Hello my friends, hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen. My name is Ellen. Being a Southern girl, there's two things that I love: sweet tea and lemonade. I am also a die-hard fan of Chick-fil-A and I love their Sunjoy. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a copycat recipe of Chick-fil-A's Sunjoy drink, which is a mixture of sweet tea and lemonade. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. This will be great to serve at your Memorial Day BBQ or any barbecue during the summer months. It will keep you cool and quench up your thirst. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Southern Barbecue Baked Beans. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your pitcher, your lemonade, and your sweet tea sugar, because we're about to make some Sunjoy magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my medium saucepan, I have my fire over high heat. We're going to add in 4 cups of cold water. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, the water has came to a boil. So now we're going to cut the heat off and remove it from the burner. And this is my own twist. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. It will help the tea remove the bitterness and make it nice and clear. Now we're going to add in the tea bags. I'm using 4 regular size tea bags, or you can use 2 family size tea bags. And this is the black tea. Now we're going to let it steep for 4 minutes. Alright my friends, the tea is nice and steep. Now we're going to remove the tea bags. Alright, into our tea, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar and give it a quick stir until the sugar dissolves. Alright, the sugar is nice and dissolved. Now we are ready to pour the tea into our pitcher. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in another twist. 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. Going to give it an extra flavor. 4 cups of cold water. So that's a total of 8 cups of water in the entire recipe. And 8 cups of cold lemonade. And give it a quick stir until everything is well blended. And that's it my friends. Our Sunjoy is ready to serve. How simple and easy was that? So now I'm going to get my mason jars and then we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I have my mason jars and I filled them up with ice. Now we're going to pour in our Sunjoy. Now we're going to add on a lemon slice and a fresh mint leaf. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Copycat Chick-fil-A Sunjoy. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Alright, here we go. Cheers. Crisp, refreshing. This definitely tastes like Chick-fil-A Sunjoy. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Sunjoy-licious. My friends, many thanks for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email. ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Much love and happy Memorial Day. Cheers.